In this essential Canva tutorial, we're going to learn how to add audio in Canva. If you've ever made a video or an animated post and felt it was silent and missing something, this guide will show you how to add music to your Canva design in just a few simple steps. You're working in Canva and you've created a beautiful, visually stunning design. Maybe it's an animated Instagram post, a short video, or a presentation. It looks great, but it just feels flat. It's missing that layer of emotion, that energy that only sound can bring. Adding a music track or a voiceover is the key to transforming your design from good to truly professional. I'm your host, and in this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to add music to Canva. We will explore the two primary methods to do this. First, we'll cover the super easy way using the massive built-in Canva music library. Second, I'll show you how to upload your own music to Canva, whether it's your own voiceover, a podcast clip, or a royalty-free track you downloaded. By the end, your designs will not only look great, but they'll sound incredible. This is a complete guide to Canva audio for beginners. We'll cover everything from adding the track to making simple edits, like adjusting the volume and trimming the clip so you can get the perfect sound for your Canva video. To get started, your needs are very simple. You just need a Canva account. The free version of Canva has a great library of audio tracks, although a Canva Pro account will give you access to a much larger premium collection of music. You'll also need a design that can actually play audio, like a video, an animated social media post, or a presentation. And of course, for the second method, you'll need your own audio file, like an MP3, M4A, or WAV file saved on your computer ready to upload. All right, let's add some sound to our design. I have an animated Instagram post open here, and it's completely silent. Let's start with method 1, using the built-in Canva music library. This is the fastest way to get a great sounding track. First, I'm going to look at the main toolbar on the far left side of the Canva editor. I'll scroll down until I see the Audio tab and click on it. This opens up Canva's entire music and sound effect library. I can browse by categories like happy, epic, or pop, or I can use the search bar at the top to find something specific. I'm going to select an audio from the library. When I find a track I like, I can click the little play button on it to hear a preview. If it sounds good, all I have to do is click on the track's name. Or you can simply just drag and drop the audio file. And just like that, Canva has added the audio track to my design. You can see it has appeared as a new purple bar at the very bottom of my editor timeline. If I press the play button on my design, the music now plays along with my animation. It's that simple. Now let's look at method 2, how to upload your own audio. This is perfect if you have a specific song, a voiceover you've recorded, or a podcast intro. For this, I'll go back to the left side toolbar and click on the Uploads tab. At the top of the Uploads menu, you'll see images, videos, and audio. I'll click on Audio. Here, I'll see any audio files I've uploaded in the past. To add a new one, I'll click the purple Upload Files button, find the MP3 file on my computer, and select it. Canva will upload the file, and once it's done, it will appear right here in my Audio Uploads library. From here, the process is exactly the same. I just click on the audio file I uploaded, and Canva will add it as a track to the bottom of my design. Now that the audio is in our project, we need to edit it. This is where you get professional results. First, click on the purple audio track in the timeline. This will open the audio editing options in the toolbar at the top of the screen. If you click the little speaker icon, you'll see a volume slider. This is absolutely essential. If you're adding background music to a video that already has someone talking, you'll want to slide this volume way down so the music is subtle. You can also trim the audio to get just the part you want. You don't have to use the whole song. In the timeline, just click and drag the ends of the purple audio bar. You can drag the start handle to skip a slow intro, or drag the end handle to make the song finish with your video. Don't forget that you can add multiple audio tracks. You can have one track for your background music with the volume low and a second track for your voiceover with the volume high. Just drag them both onto the timeline. What if you run into problems? The most common issue is trying to upload music and having it fail. This is almost always either a file format issue or a copyright issue. Canva supports MP3, M4A, OGG, and WAV files. If you're trying to upload something else, it won't work. Another major issue is streaming. You cannot upload a song from Spotify or Apple Music. You must own the actual audio file as an MP3 or similar. Those services are for streaming only, and the files are protected. If you add audio but you can't hear anything, check two things. First, make sure your computer's volume isn't muted. Second, check the volume slider in Canva for that audio track and make sure it's not muted or set to 0. So we have reached the end of our guide. We learned how to add audio in Canva in 2 simple ways. We learned how to instantly add a track from the built-in Canva music library and how to upload your own music to Canva using the Uploads tab. We also saw how to adjust the volume and trim the track right in the timeline. You now have the power to add a whole new layer of emotion and professionalism to your Canva videos and designs. Your designs will never have to be silent again. I truly hope this Canva tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, please give this video a like. It's a simple gesture that really helps the channel. And if you're interested in more Canva tips and design tricks from beginner to advanced, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. What kind of audio are you most excited to add to your designs? Is it background music for your social media posts, sound effects for a presentation, or your own voiceovers? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.